How to password protect a directory in cPanel. This demo assumes you've already logged into cPanel and are starting on the home screen. Now let's learn how to password protect a directory. Click the Directory Privacy icon. Select the directory you want to password protect by clicking its name. Check the Password Protect box, then give a name for the directory and click Save. The directory is now protected and requires a password to enter it via a browser. We must therefore create at least one user and assign them a password so they can access the directory. Assign a username and password in the Create User section. The protected directory now has one user who has access to it. Repeat this process for each additional user you want to grant access for. You can see the new user we just added in the Authorized Users section. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to password protect directories and assign users to them.
Thank you for watching. If you need more help, please contact Flaminqo Help Center. Our agents will be more than happy to help. Flaminqo Hosting.